Hi friends, we're talking about a windy day. Have you ever gone outside and the wind is so hard it kind of blows you over a little bit? It's kind of fun when that happens, but it's also kind of fun when your hair blows all over the place. It says, hold on to your hat, the wind is blowing. Here's a fun fact, wind moves air. So the air moves things. Wind pushes boats. Wind makes kites fly. Here's a fun fact. Wind also turns the sails of a windmill. Have you ever seen a windmill? Wind brings rain clouds. Wind blows clouds away. Here's a fun fact. Wind helps to change the weather. Some wind is slow and some wind is really fast. Here's the fun fact. Slow wind is slow-moving air. Fast wind is fast-moving air. Fast wind can push trees over. Look at that. Pull it right out of the ground. Fast wind can make large waves. Wow, it's a big wave. Some wind is warm and some wind is cold. Blow, wind, blow. So we're also going to have this windy weather center. So inside here it says, will the wind blow center? So you're going to cut out parts of pieces in here. One says no, and one says yes. And then inside there's pieces. A feather, a kite, money, flag, leaf, and paper. You can cut on the black lines and cut them apart. And here's an anchor, which is something that helps a boat stay in place. A log, which is part of a tree. A safe, which is made out of metal. A car, a bus, and a chair. And you're going to decide where these pieces go. Can a feather be moved by the wind? Yes, it can. I'm going to let you figure out the rest. You can even do some experimenting outside. You can get a straw and you can play with pieces of paper if you have it, those type of things. Then on this last page, it says your name. So practice writing your name. And then will wind blow? So you can color the ones that the wind blew. For example, a feather, is that blown by the wind? And you can mark it if it is. Then for our project, it looks like it's just a diamond shape. But this is actually going to turn into a kite. So practice your cutting here, thumb in the thumb hole, fingers down below, and you're going to cut. And how are you going to decorate your kite? Is it going to be with string? Is it going to be with stickers? Think about how you want to do that. Have fun with wind. Bye, friends.